Welcome to DhruboSphere! Today, we're going to learn about 20 construction vehicles that help build roads, bridges, and big cities. Bulldozer. A bulldozer is a strong machine with a big blade. It pushes sand, soil, and rocks out of the way. Excavator. Excavators have a long arm and a bucket. They dig deep holes in the ground. Backhoe loader. This vehicle has a shovel in the front and a digging bucket in the back. 2 machines in one. Dump truck. Dump trucks carry sand, soil, and stones. They dump it by lifting the back. Cement mixer truck. This truck mixes cement inside its big drum to make strong concrete. Crane. Cranes lift heavy materials high into the air to build tall buildings. Road roller. A road roller flattens the ground and smooths roads. Skid steer loader. A small but powerful vehicle that can scoop, lift, and move materials. Tower crane. Tower cranes are very tall and help build skyscrapers by lifting steel and concrete. Paver machine. Paver machines lay asphalt and make smooth roads. Grader. A grader has a long blade to level and smooth the ground before roads are made. Pile driver. This machine hammers long poles into the ground to make strong building foundations. Forklift. Forklifts lift and move heavy loads inside construction sites and warehouses. Compactor. Compactors press the soil tightly so buildings and roads stay strong. Front loader. A front loader scoops sand, gravel, or dirt with its big bucket. Trencher. Trenchers dig long, narrow holes in the ground for pipes and cables. Concrete pump truck. This truck pumps wet concrete into tall buildings and hard-to-reach places. Tunnel boring machine. This giant machine digs tunnels under the ground or mountains. Wow! We learned about construction vehicles that build our world. Which one is your favorite? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more learning with DhruboSphere.